to 3. 5, 0. I want rear to point to 3, but it should be variable. I should write some formula so that earlier f is 2. Yeah, previous f was 2 and r was 5. 5 minus 2 is 3, it's giving. So before I write front is equal to 0, I'll write rear is equal to rear minus front. 5 minus 2 is 3. Yeah, I got this. Now front is equal to 0 always. Okay. So we made NQ possible. Now here, is NQ allowed? Yeah, this is like this situation. This is like this situation. So of course allowed. So let's write code now. Okay. Yeah. So when front is equal to 0 and rear is equal to max, Q is full, I cannot insert any elements. If rear is equal to max, then what I have to do? We'll write that code. So declare a variable I, int I, and here I have to write for I equal to front, I should be less than rear, I plus plus, all these elements I want to move slide towards left, front side. Okay. So after doing that, rear will change to rear minus front, and front becomes 0. Okay. Now it means we change that special case to normal case. For this, we need this coding, converting that special case to normal case. Okay. Now NQ is allowed. What to do now? Okay, front is 0, of course it's allowed. We'll ask now the user, enter the element. Okay, scanf percentile. Okay, this character array. So I'll take. We'll declare char element, char ele. So ampersand ele. But this is a character. When I hit enter, it takes that. But I want my program to stop till I hit enter and provide input to the scanf function. So we'll write fflush stdin std. Okay. So I got this element. I want to push this element into the array. Meaning I have to add this element to the array. At what side addition is performed? Addition is performed at rear end. Okay. So we'll write q of rear, rear. Okay. Q of rear is equal to. We'll write this element. Okay. Then afterwards, rear will be incremental. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, NQ is possible. Now let's see whether DQ is allowed or not. For DQ to be allowed, what I have to do is I have to first check whether Q is empty or not. Okay, how do we check? If front is 0 and rear is max, okay, then we'll write printf Q is QUE empty. No, it's full actually. DQ is not allowed is if Q is empty, right? It's equivalent to 0. If both of them are 0, yeah. Here this is for Q is full. To detect that Q is full, NQ is not allowed, and in DQ, to detect that Q is empty, we cannot remove an element if the Q is already empty. Okay. So we detected this. Now, do we need to consider any special case for deletion? Let's check. In case A, it's possible, so no need to detect. In case B is also possible. In case A, it's not possible. Okay, so we have detected case A, no problem now. So what do we do is, we'll write code for removing an. How do we remove an element? So deletion has to be done from the front end. What do we do is, we'll remove an element Q U E U E Q of front. Okay, we mark it as null. Okay. Okay. We mark it as null, and front has to be incremented. Front plus plus. What did we do here? Here, for deleting an element, when we add an element, rear will be incremented. When I remove an element, front is also incremented. Okay, no problem. Then we'll write here one message, or here we'll write one message, printf /n deleted. Okay. So yeah, deletion is simple. We deleted an element. Now let's see how to display. Now display again, we need to consider, do we need to consider any special case in display? Let's check. Case A empty, we cannot display. Okay. So in case A, first I have to detect if front equal to 0 and rear is equal to 0, Q is empty, cannot display. Q is empty, can't display. Okay. Return. Then in case B I can display, case C also I can display. Yeah. So in case C, how do I display? From front to rear I have to display. Okay, right. So what do we do is, we'll declare one variable I. We'll write for I equal to front, I is less than rear, I plus plus. Okay, so we'll write here printf percentile C Q U E U E of I. What are the errors? Function should return a value in main. Okay, because main is giving return type. Return of 0 tells to the operating system that successful execution of main has happened. So I have to save it. What are the errors? If statement is missing in display. Okay, in display we have checked. I have to concatenate them actually using AND. Okay, let's check whether it's working or not. I want to add what elements first? 5, 10, 15. Oh, here we have taken integers. Let's take A, B, C, D. I want to add A. Again, I want to add B. Again, I want to add C. Then I want to display. Yeah, ABC is displayed. Now I want to DQ. DQ means what is the first element added? A. So A has to be deleted. A is deleted. Great. So it's working fine. So I go on deleting. Go on deleting. Okay. When Q is deleted, what happens? Yeah, I cannot perform delete operation if Q is empty. Okay. So can I display them? I cannot display. First I have to enqueue them. Just let me check. Can I display? No, Q is empty, can't display. Can I DQ? No, Q is empty, I cannot DQ it. Can I add? Yes, I can add. What I want to add? I want to add A. Can I see it? Yes, you can see. If I delete it, what gets deleted? A gets deleted. Can I see it? I cannot see because Q is empty. So our Q is working fine. So we'll stop here and see in the next class.